Hello my lovely families, welcome to Tochi's page, welcome to Tochi's channel. If you are watching from YouTube, I'm so sorry. I promised people from Facebook that I'm going to demonstrate this clove, how to use clove water to increase your fertility, boost your ovulation, cleanse your uterus. But I don't know if the problem is coming from Facebook. It didn't give me access to come live, so I decided to record this video. I'm going to record it live. I have done this video several times, but it seems a lot of you do not understand my teachings. I'm going to do this video in two different ways. There are two different ways in which you can prepare this recipe. You can prepare this clove water that can help you to get pregnant. If you think I'm lying, go and ask those who have used clove to increase their fertility. Now we are going to look at some of the benefits of using clove water to or drinking clove water to boost your fertility. Now, according to researchers, experts, they say drinking clove water is believed to boost ovulation and increase a woman's chances of conception. I am not the one that wrote this. They said when you drink clove water, it is going to increase your chances of conception, is going to boost your ovulation. So now, when you drink clove water, there are some things you need to do. It's not only drinking it today, tomorrow you will not drink it, next tomorrow. You need to be consistent and perseverance. Before some of these natural ingredients, before they start reflecting, before they start working in your system, you might take them up to 3 to 6 months before they work. Some people can take it just a circle, it will work for them, while some need 3 to 6 months. So when you are taking this, please exercise what is called patience. Don't rush, don't be too fast. It will work. Tested and trusted. Now, they say many women trying to conceive take clove water to aid ovulation. Clove is believed to increase the secretion of LH, that is luteinizing hormone. This is the hormone that stimulates the ovaries to release egg during ovulation and menstruation. So when you drink this clove water, how does it aid in increasing or boosting your fertility? I'm going to say all these things before I continue demonstrating it, because you need to know what you are taking, the essence and the value of what you are taking. So the clove water boosts your ovulation or your fertility by increasing the hormone called LH, that is LH surge, that stimulates, that triggers ovulation. So when you drink clove water does a lot of things. It's not only for conception. You can use this small little ingredient to do a lot of things in your system. So this clove water can also help to regulate your menstruation. For people who always have irregular menstruation, which can lead to frustration of conception, because when you don't know your cycle, when your menstruation continue to fluctuate, is going to affect you by not knowing when and how to calculate your cycle, or when you are likely going to ovulate. Women with ceased menstruation can take clove water. It will help them. Remember, this is not 100% guarantee in the issue of ceased menstruation. Now, clove water can also help to boost sperm count and motility. Drinking clove water first thing in the morning has reportedly helped in boosting sperm count, increase sperm production, improve motility and semen volume. Clove water is believed to treat oligospermia and ozopermia. These claims are, yes, like I said, it works, but you cannot say that it is 100% accurate. Okay, So clove water also is believed that it can help you to conceive twin baby. Do you know why this is possible? Because when this clove water stimulates your ovaries to release egg, you might be likely to have what is called hyperstimulation, whereby your ovaries will release two eggs. Then when being fertilized, then congratulations, you may have twin baby. Clove water also help to increase libidos. For most of you who don't always feel like baby dancing, having sex with your partner due to hormonal imbalances or some health issues or stress or frustration, clove water can bring libido back to you. Drinking clove water helps increase testosterone level in the blood. Testosterone is the primary libido booster in both males and female. Clove water helps a man overcome premature ejaculation and help him last longer in bed. So clove water also is believed to increase or enhances erection. So many men who find this difficult can take this clove water. This is the powdered one. Depending on where you are, you can get it in something like this sachet. I'm going to show it. Indians, they eat this a lot. They put it in their food as spices. You can find it in this form of packet. I am in Europe. You can see it in this kind of packet. If you are in Asia, if you are in Europe, you can get this in Asia shop. They have it a lot. You can get it in powdered form like this. I bought this powdered one because I want to use it to do what do you call it? Clove oil is also good. So now let's demonstrate this. I have finished telling you the benefit of taking clove water. Clove water, very very important. You can see clove water is very very good. So now this is my glass cup. This is my glass. I'm going to show you two different way. So this is my glass cup. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring this clove. You can take this together with your husband. So I'm going to put like one tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, sorry, of this clove, or maybe two. If you are drinking with your husband, put two of this in a glass cup like this. Boil your hot water. This is my hot water. Then you pour it here. Make sure that you fill it. You pour it inside the glass, like you can see. Then cover this. Cover this overnight. Cover this overnight. Just allow it to sit like this overnight. Like you can see, the nutrients, the colors haven't shown. The nutrient and the colors haven't shown because it's not settled. I forgot to sit this thing overnight so that this morning I can use it to demonstrate. But it's very simple. You put 2 tablespoons of clove. If you are using, so people will ask me whether if they can use the powdered one. Yes, you can use the powdered one, but I trust and I like this one because the nutrients are still there. You know, some powder things during the process of production, they can encounter a lot of things that can deferment their strength and their nutrient. But when you get it like this, it's very very good. So you allow this to sit, and you can do this last thing at night when you are preparing your dinner. You can just boil hot water, put it. If you are drinking it with your husband, which means you are going to measure this up to 2 glasses or 4. It's better 4 because you drink it in the morning and in the night. So you measure this up to 2 this thing and allow it to sit. So in the morning you will see all the nutrients will come out, the color will be fully out. Then how do you take this? You take it first thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, 30 minutes before you eat anything. Then last thing at night before you go to bed. Let's say you are finished eating at night, you drink your zaft, your juice or whatever, and you relax. Now maybe after 1 hour or 2 hours of eating, depending on the time you eat, if you eat like me 6 o'clock, around 7 o'clock or 8, you can take this. And before going to bed, the same thing with your husband. So you are going to take this thing. If you want to see the result, you have to continue taking it. Don't take 1 month, you say, ha 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 ha, this thing doesn't work for me, this woman is lying. No, you need to take it 3 to 6 months before you can see the result. This does a lot of wonders. It cleanses your uterus, it adds strength and nutrients to your uterus, thereby helping your ovaries to stimulate, to release an egg, healthy one. So another method is like this. I forgot to bring my cup. You can just, the same method, you can just pour this thing in your, you can just pour this thing, pour the 2 cups of 2 tablespoons of clove inside a glass cup. Then, sorry, you can pour two um teaspoon of clove in a pot like this. This is my pot. And you